Good morning, it's Saturday and I thought I'd come along and check out the Animal Welfare League and RSPCA op shops, and then down there somewhere is Rotary, but it looks like Animal Welfare League is not open. It's a bit of a bummer, but I'll go across and check out RSPCA and Rotary. Bugger. Not open today, shortage of volunteers. Ugh. I don't think I've been in here. I think it's the RSPCA one that opened a while back, but I think this one's new. It hasn't opened. I don't recall it being open. Jigsaw puzzles. Damn. So this is everything I bought today. I didn't film in the RSPCA shop because it was tiny, and I just worry that the people that work there, that are volunteering or working there, are going to tell me off for filming. So I did take some footage of just being at the salvo. So I did go to RSPCA and the Rotary thrift shop on Unley Road, and I went to Aggie's op shop, which is always just way overpriced. Though I did get some sewing patterns there. And then I've just come back from the salvos. So what I got was, that tin was $3. I did find a sold listing for 50 plus post, and I think mine's in a bit better condition. There are some others listed though that have got, I don't know, I think they've got them between like $30 and $50. Yes, I did buy another cookbook for myself, but I do need to eat more vegetarian. Just some more books, and then I got this brand new jigsaw puzzle. It was $8, but it's sealed, so I don't mind paying that if it's sealed, so you know that there's no pieces missing. So that was, where was that? That was Aggie's. Yeah, that was from Aggie's. So some of these patterns were from Aggie's and some were from the salvos. These I got from the salvos. That was $5 for the set of 4. They're Japanese, so I need to just have a look at them, but I thought I'd just check it, try it out. That was another thing. There were actually quite a few dishes and things. I feel like someone's probably died and family has donated the trinket bowls and whatnot. This one has got J. Allen on it. I did find 4 other pieces with that signature, and one of them had 1976 on it, and then one of them had, like, I think it was from J. Allen too, and it had someone's name on it. So I guess it's all just like handmade stuff from someone. So yeah, as I said, patterns just for crafting. And then I did get this vintage book from the Salvos. That was $2. That's really cute. Another vintage book. That might just be for junk journals. I don't know, have to look at it. I didn't look at any of these in store. I just bought them because I liked them. Oops, this one is a 1944 book. It says sold as is, but I couldn't see any issues with it. I mean, it's got that in it. But it's just got really beautiful, like, illustrations in it of birds. That was $4, and I just thought that was really lovely. I mean, gosh, you could even take them out of frames, some of them, I guess. And yeah, just a magazine for $1, and then a magazine for $2, which I thought could be used for just like collagey stuff, crafting. And then again, for more crafting, a bunch of window faced envelopes for $1. So that was it. Yeah, hopefully these aren't duds and I can sell, but if I'm not, I'd probably keep this little one. It's so cute, so sweet with those birds. I really love them. Oops, don't want to break them. All right, bye.